Hello, we are here doing a concrete restoration. There's a lot of bad grease stains all through here, so we use special degreasers and stuff, letting them sit, and then we're using our side-by-side, just scrubbing it out real good. And then we'll come back with a rotovac for a hard surface wand, and then force it dry with air movers, and then we can put the garage epoxy on here. That's something we do, or you can just seal it. This doesn't last as long. It peels up a lot quicker. The epoxy is more money, but it lasts longer. So we're doing a concrete just a restoration again. You know, stuff on here, carpet. We just we're doing an install actually. So try to have some before and after fix. But any of your hard surface needs or soft surface cleaning and restoration, we do that way. You do not have to replace it. Commercial and residential hard and soft surfaces. Give us a call, 610-405-2147. Needs cleaning service. Let us know. We can help you save some money replacing.